Hello friends, in this video we are going to unbox the Boya lavier microphone. This is made for YouTubers and etc. This has noise cancellation feature. In the back of the box we can get the features, specifications, etc. This has clip-on mic for smartphones, DSLR and camcorders, audio recorders, PC, etc. We can connect this mic for anything. This has omnidirectional condenser microphone. High quality condenser. It is ideal for video use. Low handling noise, includes clip label, LR double for battery, foam windscreen, 1/4 adapter. Here below we can get the specifications. Electric condenser, omnidirectional, 65 Hz to 18 kHz and etc. Here are the specifications. Here this Boya made branding and here it looks like this. Okay, let's open this box. Inside the box we can get a bag here. Let's take out this. And inside there are some papers. This is the warranty card. Let's keep it aside. And this is the user manual. This is the bag. I think this is of leather. Let's see inside this bag what's there. We can get a cover. And inside this bag we can get the mic. This is the mic, and this is the 3.5 mm audio cable. We can connect this to our smartphone. Here there is the button for switching modes. If you want to use this mic for camera, you can switch this to camera mode, or you can switch this to your smartphone mode. I will be using this mic for my smartphone. This is a good quality bag. You can carry this mic in this bag. Let's see what's in this cover. This is the pin that you can connect to your camera. And this cable you can connect it like this, and you can connect this one to your camera. And this is the clip that you can connect to your t-shirt or shirt or anything. This is the battery, and this is a sponge to cover your microphone. Let's see this. This is the main microphone, and this clip you can clip on like this here in this cap. And this sponge, you can cover this mic from this sponge like this. Okay, it's done. Now let's put this battery here. Here we can put the battery like this. Here you can see this is the plus mark and this minus mark. So in this battery, upside is a positive node. We can put this battery like this here inside this one. Yes, I have put down the battery, and let's cover this again. we have this wire of about 20 meters long. It's very good. Here there's a velcro, and here there's Boya branding. I can't open this right now. This wire is about 20 meters long. See here, 20-meter long wire. We can open this, but not now. Okay, thank you for watching our video, and please hit the like button. Please subscribe our channel for getting the latest notifications. And if you like this video, please click the like button, and please share this video to your friends and help us to improve our channel. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get the latest notifications from our channel. Thank you.